Your website is like is like a drop of water in an ocean that you have to be in, and you need to be discovered by SEO. What we're building, our scope, the point of what we're doing is we're handing the most powerful marketing tool that exists to local only merchants. And that tool is the network itself. Because if you take all of the businesses and put them all together inside of in a linked network that exists within the ocean, then it's like islands that grow next to each other, and it becomes its own property within the entire ecosystem. So it's working together to become to become bigger. You're bigger by working together. Yeah, you're bigger by working together, and they're all networked together. Our product exists in the broader context of SEO optimization, Google search results, etc. But it also exists in the context of you, the neighbor, all of the Main Street businesses creating their own online business district within the network, and then that linking to the network in Robbinsville and the network in Blue Ridge, and then it just grows and grows and grows as a network. So the network itself becomes a larger presence. The way in which you're noticed in 2022 online is, I don't, it's going to sound negative, but it's not meant to be negative. People mob up together in order to become loud enough, right? So it's like kind of like all of the local Main Street businesses mobbing up together to become big enough and loud enough to be heard.
It's a good analogy.
It's a scary analogy. It's a scary analogy, but it's a relevant analogy because that is actually what's required. The reason that people mob up together online is because it's such an isolated place. It's so spread out, and you need to find like-minded people in order to have an effective voice. And so we're organizing local businesses all together in order to strengthen the group.
That's great.
And the online presence.
Okay. All right, I'm in.